Hey guys, this is Luis with Frontend Solutions again, and today is Monday and we finally had a little bit extra time to work on our windows. So don't go anywhere. We're going to be installing some windows. We printed some vinyl that looks like wood, and we're going to put it outside so we can decorate the windows. So stick around so you can see how we do this, all right? Today we finally have some time to print some signs for our windows, and I want to show you that we're doing a design that looks like wood for the outside of the building. I want to show you that. Let's go see that real quick. So that's it, we finished the wall or the window. Let me show you how it turned out. Turned out pretty good, really good. We already had one corner. So now we have both sides of the window. So the next one is gonna be this one that we're gonna be doing probably in a couple of days. We're gonna have some message here, so stay tuned for that one. All right. So thanks for your time, guys. I hope you like the video, and we'll see you next time.